Adam expresses his excitement when Eve finally came into his life. This is exactly what I saw to Paulo nung dumating sa buhay niya si Grace.
I'm alive.
Fell in love, but it left me lonely. Tried to trust, but it burned me slowly.
Pag mahal mo ang isang tao, you will sacrifice for her.
Till I found her.
I've prayed for this eh. Parang vision of this is my answered prayer.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed till I found her. I've run for many miles trying to find love from a woman that could love me and never leave my side. And I've run for many miles trying to get away from the things I
Ang titigas po ng katawan.
Pinasayaw yung mga pares kaliwa pa.
What does that even mean? You tell me to open my eyes. Thank God it was just a dream. I guess that's how you know that it's love. When you're scared to death to leave. Just say that you never leave, baby.
ChatGPT, sino ba si Paul bilang kuya? Ito yung sinagot niya sa atin. Si Paulo ay lumaki sa Pasig. Muntik na siya maging AI sa kakaprogram niya sa computer niya. At muntik-muntik siya ay tumira sa Mars para sa una develop ng teknolohiya roon. Kaso, nakansela ang meeting niya sa mga AI doon. Habang si Paulo naiinip kakaintay papuntang Mars, binuksan niya kanyang CP at dali-dali siyang naging active high wave ang pinindot nag-send kay Grace Bundok. At ako kanyang biglang naging driver. Dali-dali kami puta QC. At kanya kuha puso ni Grace Bundok. At ngayon sila kasal ay para sa bagong sasakalin!
Monday. So pumasok ako sa office, I told her, Grace, alam mo ba, na panaginipan kita, kinasal kay ni Paolo, I was there. So sabi niya, parang timang to. Parang bago pa kami ni Paolo.
Try to trust, but it burns.
Tapos parang after a week, bigla siyang nag-send ng message sa amin.
That same week.
Oo, that same week na parang, guys, you're very close to me. So I'm telling you this, engaged na kami.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that.
Let's welcome our newest Mr. and Mrs. Paul Adrian and Mary Grace Haselda!
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed. I found her. Till I found her.
Well, lagi kasi kami may mga intentional questions whenever we have dates. So, one of his questions is yung, how did you know I'm already the one? Hindi ko yun nasagot agad.
Kasi kagabi nakita ko siya habang kinakraft niya yung sa kanya, pina-finalize niya. Mga ganun.
Pero nung ginagawa ko yung vow, na-realize ko na it was January 27 last year when we decided to climb Mount Batulao together. It was your first mountain climb and I'll never forget that day. But during the hike, my sandals broke.
Good thing, sabi ko, ako willing ako ihubarin yung sa akin. Sabi ko, magpapaa ako.
Tinanggal niya yung sandals niya, binigay niya sa akin. The gesture itself, na without hesitation to give me yung what he has. Doon ko na-realize na, ay, Lord, sana ito na.
To my future husband, here's to making sure that you won't have cold feet in Japan or ever. Haha, alam ko presyo nito. I love you so much. See you later, Lovesy.
Lovesy, officially we've been together for almost a year.
and a half. Some might say that's fast, but in my heart, it feels like I've known you forever. I believe it's because God planted you in my heart long before we met, knowing that you're the one I was meant to pursue.
Sinabi ko kay Ate Grace, walang balikan, walang solian.
So, loves, this is it, Pansit. Those were your first words when you proposed to me last August. And now, here we are, with just over 5 months of preparation, standing at the threshold of this day, all by the grace of God. Who would have thought that your pwede ba mag-apply would bring us here? Out of all the hires I've made in my career, you are by far my very best hire.
We're so happy to hear from Paulo. Sinabi niya na talagang natapuan na talaga niya ang suitable partner niya. Marriage is a partnership. Marriage is unity. Marriage is sacred and permanent.
Lagi niyong isipin kami mga magulang niyo ay nandito lamang sa likuran ninyo upang umagapay sa lahat ng pagkakataon.
Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Lagi lang kaming naririto. Thank you, Ma.
Dear Lovesy, may every tick of this watch, kahit digital, remind you that I am with you no matter where the Lord will take us. Love, Lovesy.
Nakita ko na sa'yo before how I vouched for you nung nag-a-apply ka pa lang kay Ate Manligaw. So glad and blessed that I did kasi eto, here we are now.
Knowing that we are two, becoming one. I will give my all to you, just as Christ gave us all for me and for us all. I love you beyond words. Wow.
With God's help, I vow to raise a family that glorifies Him and reflects His goodness. Through God's grace, I will strive to love you more every day. Ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw.
Congratulations, Pao! Ito yung pinakahihintay natin. You may now kiss your bride. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Praise God!
Hindi kita matitiis kahit na ako'y mali.
He messaged, tapos he asked kung if you can be more than friends. So I asked him 3 questions. Wow. Una kong tanong was, did you pray about this? Bakit ako?
Kung bakit niligawan ko siya noong time na yun. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng desire to create a godly family. I promise to love and cherish you all the days of my life until God calls us home. This is my solemn vow made in the name of our Jesus Christ. Ikaw pa rin ang aking